Well, good morning, chat. Good morning. Let me just shut my door one sec. Okay. Hello. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are ready for a fun day. It looks like we had some news. Let me just sort this out. And we'll get straight into it. Okay, beautiful. So, yeah, good morning everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, yesterday was a little bit slow. If you actually watched yesterday was a little bit slow. There wasn't too much going on, but that was okay because there was news. So let's take a look at the Forex factory over here. Japan rates policy rate 0.10%. Forecast is minus 0.10. So better than expected, looks like. Yeah, how much? Interest rates in excess. Yeah. Okay, so looking like it was kind of bad for the JPY over here because now pound has pushed. Now we're going to do analysis here, but it does look good. This looks good. I mean, looking to the left hand side, we're right at resistance, so we'll see. Obviously, this move here was good. What time is that at? Yeah, 4 o'clock. So yeah, let's just take a look, do the analysis. But again, it's going to be following the trend that we've set out GJ for this pretty much this month, so stay tuned. So let's take a look then at the monthly time frame. I'm trying to get this reasonable. It feels still too loud. Okay. Change policy after 8 years. Wow, yeah, that is pretty wild, eh? So the monthly time frame, what is going on? What is going on over here? Well, again, as I discussed every single time, we closed above resistance here. So if we close above, we should realistically drive here to 194 flat for this month. So I'm predicting the monthly candle to push as long as we obviously break the previous high, which looks like it might do very, very shortly. And then hopefully we can drive to the resistance, 194. Okay, so that's pretty easy. We've discussed that so many times. The weekly time frame, look at that now, beautiful. Made support continue to the high, so that's great. Really solid and easy work. Now the daily time frame here, you can start to write out some daily stuff. So yeah, we're obviously coming towards daily res. We are coming towards daily res, which we've tapped. So there's a little bit of resistance here. Let me just take a look to the left hand side. I don't know how far we were. Yeah, so on the daily, looks like we came up over here to 191.8204, and then obviously bullish candles here is nice. Okay, so yeah, I mean, in terms of the daily candle, that's all we kind of got here. We've got resistance, monkey dory. Now let's take a look at the lower time frame. Actually, I'll just write the daily on here as well. This is daily support. Is that green? Is that a green line? Yeah, yellow. There we go. Let's put another yellow line on here. Okay, beautiful. So this is our daily range, right, which we've already filled up. So looking like more of a breakout is going to happen today potentially if we continue. So yeah, 4 hours pushed up. We made some support through news, which is hunky dory. Yeah, you can see that we, pushed above this kind of area here, and we, mirroring this candle here, very, very clean. I actually wanted to buy above here yesterday, but we never actually got to it. But that was solid. A nice closure there. So let me just put this on here. So now we're back to the high. So we've got to kind of look at the lower time frame to see what we could potentially do over here. So yeah, daily res. I'm just going to move this line to the high because it's just easier to see. So yeah, this is our range that we're in right now. This is our resistance that we're in. Now it's best to look, because again we don't have much data. We have to go to the left hand side and see potentially what we could actually suggest may happen when we get a closure above. If we have enough data, which we don't. Great. So that might be an MT5 job. Yeah. Take a look at the 30. Yeah, there's nothing apart from the 4 hour. What the hell? Not even the 4 hour? Bro. When was this? Oh, 2015. Fucking hell. Damn, son. Yeah, it was a long time ago. But I suppose on the daily time frame you can kind of see, yeah, we're at this resistance here. We do break up. It's a really bummer for me that I can't see what we have on the left hand side. Let's see if I can just get a MetaTrader up. I'm not logged in, so I've been trading on my phone, but I've been liking it really. I'll just see if I can see. Oh, but it's not even logged in, is it? So it's not even working. Yeah, that's a bit of a bummer. Does anyone have the zone to the left? Fuck, paying for trading view for one day. Let's move this over. Gold in the sell on the 15 close. Yeah, we'll take a look in a second. The daily close bullish. Okay, it's got a nice wick to fill. The whole of yesterday, we were just in this consolidation area. Yeah, and you know, we pushed up and then we couldn't really continue the zone. We kind of struggled. I don't really like this zone we're in. And again, you know, we'll go in for in a second, but yeah. So yeah, I think probably the easiest thing to do for us on GJ here is just wait. I mean, what you could do is wait for it to close above, see how it pushes, then maybe support forming later on to continue. That's probably what I'm going to have to do because I can't see the left hand side. But realistically, I kind of wanted this move here anyway, so I'm not really too bothered. This was the move that I wanted. This push here. Okay. You can see we push pretty nicely. So, that's okay. No worries, no worries. So, and then in terms of sells, yeah, I'm not obviously taking sells on GJ. So yeah, we'll just wait for buys above, see how we react at this resistance. We haven't even tapped it yet, so we got a while. But yeah. Let's take a look at the chart. Morning boss, morning Jacob. You're doing well. Gold selling the 15 close. So yeah, let's take a look at gold now. So in terms of gold, let's go to the high time frames, monthly. Okay, so the monthly time frame you can see is very, 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 very bullish, which is good. Okay. It's been a very bullish monthly candle. It was actually towards the start of the March that it just yeeted. But we have had a weekly candle that's closed bearish. We have broke the low of it yet. So there's been some sort of retracements in recent times. The daily time frame here. Previous candle closed bullish back above. This candle here, you know, had a big top wick, a very small lower wick. So yeah, not the easiest candle. But yeah, look, daily closed back above. So again, in terms of daily, you know, what I think the daily could do. I mean, it's, again, I don't really know because we're kind of above this zone again. So, is this just making the lower wick to then reflip? Okay. Is this rejecting the zone again? This came back up and it's going to fill the wick below? I don't really know because the higher time frame doesn't really tell me anything. Again, the weekly is just bearish, right? Whatever. The monthly is bullish. So, it's contradicting higher time frames for me. That's making me struggle get into the, you know, into this gold. So let's just say that we had a support over here on the daily time frame, you know, here, because this tends to be what we're holding at the moment. Most recent support. Okay, so let's take a look and see what happened. Yeah, so 4 hour close below, then we faked back out. So that's kind of what we did. We drove all the way down to this support, and then we rejected. Now, this zone below was actually not too bad. Again, there is a lot of wicks to the left hand side, so you know the wicks for me also give me a little bit of an issue. So because I'm not confident in the fact of I don't know where the direction is yet for gold today or yesterday, it's a bit cautious taking sells because you've got wicks here that I can reject. But it's also cautious taking buys because you've got wicks rejecting the buys. So it's kind of, for me, you know, we are just printing in this area here. Right? So until we break out below or above that level, for me, it's just ranging, right? And how would that break out? Well, 4 hour closure in an hour to 37 would probably do that if it closed below. Let's take a look then at the hourly time frame. Yeah, I'm just going to put the 4 hour res here because it's quite good. It's quite nice to see. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm just going to move that up a little bit. But we know there's 4 hour res near there. Okay, so now let's take a look then at the hourly time frame. How are we working with here? So what we're working with here. So yeah, I mean, you know, we pushed down here, then we rejected pretty hard. This closed below, then pushed. Again, though, closure below, rejection, support formed. So it's just a little bit risque, I'd say. Yeah, there's too much traffic for me, like here. So what you'd have to do for me here is probably close below 21.53, and then you got a clean zone below. You got wicks that are, you know, they're still there rejecting. However, you know, they're big enough that you can take. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, and this one looks like it was with news. I'm not really too bothered about that one. But in recent times here, 30 held support, we wick to it, resistance. So yeah, if we can sell, if we can get a closure below here. Now, I'm still not confident with it yet. I need to check and see where we'd be at that point. So if we had sells below here, hypothetically, right? 0.49. If you got a closure below, yeah, so that would be the hourly closing below. The 4 hour would be closing below, which is great, and then the daily would be filling the wick. So yeah, and again, I like how we've also got a top wick rejecting the 4 hour. So I think the sells are more intriguing for me, but I've got to wait for that closure below 2153.49. And then how would my trade go? Well, I'd kind of want to go break even here, because that's the rejection wicks. But again, that's reasonable, right? That's, yeah, 28 pips. That's not bad. I'm going to put that as the green level. So that's kind of where I need to know to go break even at least. And then obviously right down to 2146 again would be great. So yeah, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Yo, Max. Yo, Casino FX. Hope you're doing well. Christo, good morning, everybody. Hope everyone is doing well. Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. How's your morning going? We're good, good. Not too shabby. So, yeah, I think that's going to be how we're going to have to deal with this today. I have to wait for this probably 4 hour closure on gold. So, anything before, I mean, unless we really start to push down, I'm not really too bothered for. And GJ here. Yeah, I mean, you know, we are at a very big resistance, so remember that. Don't just try and jump into a buy because it's so bullish. I think what I'm going to do here is wait for the push, maybe support forming, and then continue and take a buy like that. Because I can't see the shit to the left hand side, so I just got to wait for it to come out. Yeah, so they changed the policy. It is interesting that they did that. Has anyone taken any trades yet, or did anyone stay up for the news on GJ? I know some people would have. Some people would have. How's your morning going? Good? Yeah. Good, good, good. I wanted to go to the gym this morning, but man, I subconsciously turned my alarm off without even knowing. It's kind of annoying. It's just too early. I have to go later today. Later. Tuesday's gym time in UMax. Yeah, I'm trying to go in the mornings, but they're starting to be a bit too early. It's like 5:20 I've got to get there. It's like, bruh. 5:20 I've got to get up, sorry. So yeah. Got in a gold cell, 2161. Nice. Got the resistance. Good job. Roll it down. Nice top wicks as well. On the 4 hours. Good stuff, good stuff. I in sell and GJ. Ooh. You're in a sell and GJ? Damn. Where you going to, though? Where you going to, brother? But yeah, man, still this morning, my abs are coming through already. I need to actually start doing some ab workouts because I haven't in years. I haven't seen them. Fuck that. Can't be bothered to do them. So that'd be pretty cool. Look at gold, sell gold. Are you selling gold? No, I'm not selling gold yet. I'm going to wait until we get below 53.49. 2,153.49. Yeah, that's what I'm going to wait for, I think. That's what I'm gonna wait for. And that hopefully would be nice depending on the closure and the top wick, but I think that could be quite good to get back down to fill that daily wick and to continue the weekly bearish. I think that could be nice. However, does that mean I'm taking a sell now? No, man. Like, as I discussed, look to the left hand side. Why would I want to be taking a sell right here when the left hand side is made support there, it's rejected there, it's rejected there, it's rejected there, it's rejected there, okay? Just think of it. It's like, so just let's just think about it in, I don't know, kid terms, right? Let's say you're a kid, right? Woohoo, wow, I'm amazing, kid. Let's say there's a bridge. Oh, there's other stepping stones, maybe. No, let's just say there's like a, yeah, there's like a bridge. I'm trying to think of what I could do with this. Okay, yeah. So let's say that, right, this is a bit rough, but let's just say that this kid wants to go play with his friends and they're all down here. Woo, woo, we're all down here, yeah, yeah, yeah. They're having a party, and this dude's missing out, he wants to get down there. Okay? However, there's some issues. Okay? There was actually 6 boys who are down here. Well, who tried to get down here, and only 3 got down. Well, actually, to be fair, I could probably only do 1. Yeah, let's just do that. So, there was actually 4 boys that tried to get down here, and only 1 of them succeeded, which was this one here. Okay, he succeeded to get down there. The rest got eaten by crocodiles. Okay? 1 got eaten here. 1 got eaten at this time. 1 got eaten at this time. 1 got eaten at this time, and 1 got eaten at this time. Okay? So, in terms of this guy's brain, should he go down and try and meet his friend at this point? No. Why? Well, because the person that was down there, who got down there, what is the difference? The difference is that guy's candle closed below, and then he was ready to go. If it doesn't close below, the crocodiles get you, boy. Okay? That's how I'd explain it to an 8-year-old. I say, if possible, would you be able to give a bit of idea about why GBP getting a negative rate affects the currency of the economy? I mean, I think it's the fact that it's a change, but I don't know if it's a positive or a negative because I don't really get how negative rates work, to be honest. It seems like negative because obviously pound's gone up. It's pound against yen, so pound's gone up, yen's dipped. So it's negative for Japan. Well, I think it's the fact that negative rates, you get paid to actually lend money. No, you get paid to borrow money, right? I think that's it. Yeah, it will be. So if you borrow £1,000, you'll make interest. You'll make interest on the borrow, which is pretty wild. So I don't really know. I haven't really searched up about how that actually works in an economy, but I mean, it means it's spending. But then now they've changed it. It's like, why are they changing it? So yeah, I don't know. Go research, man. Have some fun with it. Have some fun with it. Makes sense though. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. That's what all it is really to the left hand side. And also, like, another thing about that analogy is, you know, every single time that each person got fucked up here and here, it was more in a bullish market, right? We were coming up, retesting, pushing. We come from a high, retest, pushing back up. It was only until here that we started actually having bearish structure as well, right? Okay, we're breaking the lows of the previous. We're not breaking the highs of the previous. So, yeah, you know what I mean. There's and that's why it's not. You know, I think a lot of the time, a lot of people will just go, Max, you're just waiting for a close. You're looking to the left hand side. That's all it is. It's not. It's also the fact of the higher time frame, right? So let's just say, when was the last time we were here? I mean, obviously, was this yesterday? Yeah. So, in terms of yesterday, the daily closed bearish below. So we were bearish and it pushed, right? Whereas the other days, one was bullish retracement. So again, worrying to get support, which is why it rejected. A bearish candle closing not below support, kind of in a range. So it's all about the higher time frame as well. But yeah, I think in recent times, the past couple of days, gold's been quite hard to analyze because it's not going anywhere. The dailies are closing bearish for the most part. I know yesterday closed bullish, but they're kind of starting to close bearish, but with no real direction here. So what will be really interesting is this next daily. If this daily closes bearish, like down here, then yeah, I'm gonna look for sells below. That'll be good. But yeah, right now, as I say at the start, we are just trading in this little bit of zone. Yeah, and we just gotta wait for a break above or break below. Closure below, sorry. And that's all she wrote, dog. So yeah, so far this week no trades, but yesterday I couldn't really find anything. So we'll see. Excellent answer there. Thank you. No bother, man. We're here to learn. We're here to make sense of things. And again, it's more of like, you know, I'm going to take my trades and stuff, but I'm not teaching. I'm not trying to teach anything. I'm just saying what I think. And just going through it together. But if you guys have any charts or you want to send me anything or losing trades, make sure to put it in the chat. We'll go through And make sure to give it a like on the stream if you guys haven't already. Make sure to tap the screen on TikTok as well. Good morning, Lemon. Hope you're doing well. So in the GJ sell, Jacob, what are you doing now? Have you gone break even? Are you still holding? Because again, there's a lot of things that are not in your in your side over here. Someone's stuck in GJ buys. I think someone's in a GJ sell, but I'm wondering how they're gonna close. Because what I see here is there's quite a lot of support there. So even if you were to get sells for some reason, you know, there's where I'd start to be a bit worried. But look at the lower time frame. Yeah, it's around there. It's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Oh my god, that fly is freezing. How's the weather looking today? Shit again. Oh my god, I literally can't deal with this country anymore. When is the sun coming, please? Please. It's a disgrace. I did a TikTok video yesterday and man, no one watched it. I'm gutted. It was such a long video as well. I'm still trying to find my niche, man. It's so hard. I wish I would have got into it earlier, but hey ho, you can't do much about it. I was thinking about doing like because again it's called Max Mind Body, right? And I was gonna do separate videos, like one thing talking about me, one thing talking about the mind, one thing talking about the body. However, I might actually just put that all in one video, and maybe be at the gym recording like a gym set, like with really good full range of motion, really good and quite heavy, but also trying to talk whilst doing it. So I might try that today. I suppose people just want to get entertained. They don't want like fucking deep stuff, but sometimes it's good to hear. So I don't know. We'll see. I just need to make it more personal to people, I think. So we'll see. As long as you're trying, you're doing well, dog. So let's see, gold coming down again. But again, there's no emotion side. There's no, oh, can I get in? Oh, should I get in? We know why we can't get in. We know why we can't get in, dog. How long have you been trading for? Ah, fucking centuries. Since I was 17. Centuries. Yeah, it's been fun ride. But I like it now because again, it's not my whole day. I don't want it to be my whole day. I find it a bit boring when the only thing I do is trade. So I'm kind of glad that I just do the stream, look at NY later on. It's nice. too much before. So I like very much. But yeah, it's all to do, I think, on this 4 hour on gold. If we close back below, that'll be great to get back down to 45. Really respecting resistance. Once we close above like 62 area, it'd probably be a little bit higher, probably there. 63, 64 maybe. Then you can start looking for the buys. Yeah, it's going to be up here. So again, similar kind of analogy. The daily closed bullish, so if this could be making the lower wick, if it rejects, comes up here. If we close above, you know, this sort of area here, you could maybe do here. You could maybe go a little bit lower, depending on how the lower time frames look, but maybe around here. There's a lot of rejection wicks though, so I probably would wait until we get above like here. Then you can get a buy 66 to 72 again, because again we push pretty nicely up to there. Yeah. You can see we push clean when we close above, we push clean when we close above, we push clean. That wasn't very clean, but that's where I'd probably look for buys. So kind of fluid today because there's no real direction, so it depends on what the candles print. You know? Should we get a hoodie on? I'm freezing. 2 minutes. Oh. Yesterday I got into a gold at 2,149 buy and closed at 2,160. Wow. Very nice. Yeah. And why was that? Did you just think it was going to hold support? What was the reason? Big order block down there, so I don't know if you trade them. You may do. But yeah, on the day yesterday, again, it's very, very important to make sure you don't take trades just willy-nilly because it's a Monday and oh, you're excited. You gotta stick with your plan. Yesterday was a little bit hard. Bro, it is not cold. Where are you? I'm in England. It's fucking freezing. Nah, it's freezing my gaff. Sales are looking valid, but the 4-hour closure is still 1 hour away. Yes, indeed. Indeed it is. That will be quite a big decider, I think, for moi. The 4-hour candle. But again, you know, if you're waiting for the 4-hour candle, then that's good, right? You know, you're gonna wait, you're gonna plan, wait, and then execute. So being patient, waiting for that is good. It's very, very good. Very good, very nice, very good, very nice. If you guys are new here as well, make sure to subscribe and like the button if you guys haven't already. We're here discussing. We're here discussing. And if you ever want to see what I do in the rest of the day in terms of trades and NY, then just go follow the Instagram. Yeah, hopefully today maybe you'll see some situations. I wonder if I can see on my phone, actually. The left-hand side. I'm in South Africa, so it's hot here. Oh, I'm very jealous. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I need to go to a hot country. I need to move to a hot country. Shit is washed. UK weather is ass. It is nasty, nasty. Yeah, this GJ was such a long way ago. Like, what day is this? Holy shit. Yeah, I can't see it. Oh well, whatever. Whatever, dog. So the hourly is closing in 10 minutes time. Again, it's just this area. This is just a booby trap area. Booby trap. This whole area here, booby trap. Once we get below it, then we can maybe replicate what happened here. That would be great. And that would be the daily fill in the previous wick. Weekly's fit bearish again. Which is not a bad sign, eh? Not a bad sign at all. But it's still got, I mean, 9 minutes left. It's still got a pretty substantial way to go until it closes below. So probably going to be that 4-hour closure. But you never know. 10 minutes left until London Open. See if it brings any volume. Didn't really have much volume yesterday, did it? In terms of news today, is there anything else? 12:30 we have card news. And it's a JPY bank holiday today actually as well. But yeah, nothing too interesting today. Is there NFP? There's FOMC tomorrow. So that's quite a big day. So that might be why gold is potentially slowing at the moment, because FOMC is inbound. FOMC is inbound. Which is what it tends to do. It tends to slow down a little bit before, especially if they know it's going to be quite a big. Are they expecting, what numbers are they expecting? 50%. Okay, so they're expecting the same. So they're not decreasing it anymore. How long have they had 550 for? Shit, it's been a while. Damn. The interest rate's been constant for a while. Really? Why did the UK's go so high? I'm so confused. Damn. 5%. So yeah, at some point today I'm going to start doing the Trello, which will be fun. Really in-depth the trades, which will be nice to see. Trello. Yeah, I really like the way it looks. So, and you can make it really in-depth. So I'm going to be doing this. And again, if you guys use my broker links, you get this for free. I'm going to update this all to my new trade. This is what I did back in the day when I was learning. We've got 264 people have got it, damn. But yeah, I'm going to redo this sometime this week when I have some time. Oh shit. Oh, there. 6 minutes left. Yeah, I think my next holiday it's ages away for like Sun, which is a bit of an L. I think it's in like June. But can't complain, at least I'm going on holiday, I suppose. Can't complain about that. Where are actually people from in the chat? Where are you guys from? Are you guys from the UK, America, Africa, Asia? Where are you guys from? Put in the chat right now. And how old are you as well? I'm 23. From England. Where are you in the chat? London 20. Nice. London. I haven't been in London actually in a while. I'm trying to think of the last time I went. It was probably in summer. Yeah, it was in summer. Yeah, we like going to London a lot. Caitlin loves it, so we seem to be there quite a lot. I think last year we went there like 3 or 4 times. It was good. Come by here in New Zealand sometime. Oh, I would love to, my man. I would love to, but I think this year, I mean, last year was my have fun year. This year is my grind year, so I'm gonna grind the whole year and then see the outcome of that. I kind of do that, you know. I kind of go. I have like 1 year where I maybe chill a bit more, and then the next year I like just bash. South Africa 37, South Africa. Very nice. South Africa. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes in here. Yeah, we're quite slow on gold this morning. Let's see if this London volume can kick it into gear. So GJ over here on the hourly time frame is going to close bearish. It looks like for 80% chance it's probably going to close bearish. Well, probably a 90% chance over here now. It doesn't have much time to reflip. So again, what did it do? It came back to resistance and rejected. Yeah. But again, it still stands. I still think, you know, once we break that high, we do have a big zone above. However, the data's so far away in 2015. Like, damn, look, May 2015, that candle right there, I was 14 years old. God damn. God damn. I was 14 there, bro. 9 years ago. Holy. That is a long, long time. So yeah, the data's a bit, maybe, let's say, outdated. Party life is crazy here, though. Yeah, man. To be fair, I'm done with the party life. I've been doing that since I was 16, so I'm off the drink now. Again, man's just grinding this year. Hey, you reviewing crypto? No. No, just trading currencies. Gold and GJ. Yeah, I'm not really asked about crypto anymore. Not too much. I think Bitcoin's reasonable to just store your money somewhere, but anywhere else, it's a program to adopt something that can make money, but I think it needs to be put into place a bit more. And also, the government is just gonna wreck it, so I just don't get interested in it anymore. The government just tried to take all your money, dog. 20 likes, guys. Let's try and get this to 40 likes if you can already. Poland 2. You're 2 years old. Holy Jacob. Jeez. Man's trading at 2 years old. Sheesh. Man, when you hit 18, you're going to be a master already. So a minute left. Yeah, I mean, again, if it closes here, that's amazing. That's that's reasonable. But is it anywhere you can take positions? No, because look, it could just be doing exactly what this did. Right, it kind of closed lots of wicks and then rips back up, and then you just get to eat a bullish candle for breakfast. Okay, so I don't fancy eating a bullish candle when I'm in a sell for breakfast. Do you? Probably not. So best to leave it. We gotta wait longer. It is a waiting game. Again, look at this 15. The 15 just flipped bullish in the last seconds of this candle. The hourly is going to close bearish, but again, with no closure below my level. So that means there's no trade, and we got to wait. We got to wait over here. The 4 hour has an hour left. Is that gold? Yes, this is gold. Yeah. Live daily? It's when I can do it. When I can do it, yeah. Like, pulling it Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. This week it's just Monday, Tuesday, Friday, because I'm in office Thursday, Friday. But yeah. So there we go. 30-minute close doji showing an indecision, right? Indecision candle. A doji candle indecision because, again, the doji candle nearly broke the low, broke the high. It's undecided. It's undecisive of where it wants to go for the morning. So that's fine. You let it do its thing. Let's see if we can find some direction. But again, I'm really waiting for this 4 hour to close. The 4 hour is going to give me a good, realistic approach. You know, if this 4 hour candle closes like this, then I am going to be very, very excited to potentially take this if it comes around. So again, I'm picturing what I want to see because again, that would be a closure below support. We know that the zone below is clean. We know we have break even around this area because there's a little bit of a wick to reject. And it all should be filling the daily lower wick. However, if we don't go there, then again, it could be holding. The daily did close bullish back above. So if this reflips and pushes bullish, then that's great. Could you get into any buys? For me, it needs to be above 66. There is a lot of resistance above 62, 2,162, a lot of resistance here. So I wouldn't want to be taking buys there. It needs to get a little bit higher up to a cleaner zone, which is above. And then you've got a really nice 60 pip zone all the way to 2,172. And that's it. And that's it. Oh, nice, you're trading gold. Yeah, man. Overall this month, gold has been my only loss, which is a bit of an L, but in terms of overall, 87.5% gain, 34 pips up. That would have been around 90 if I didn't lose that gold trade, but yeah, it was hard. I couldn't even manage it, man. It didn't make me a top wick, so I got slapped on that one. But again, it's the process of doing it again, and yeah, it was right here. Basically, when this hourly closed bearish, I was in a buy here to close above to push. When it closed bearish, it's still respected, so I was like, right, okay, once this makes a top wick, I can maybe get out of break even, or move my stop loss to the break of the low. I did that. Well, sorry, I was waiting for that. However, we had made no top wick in the hourly, which is a bit unfortunate. We just nutted, so that was a bit of an L. But again, it's kind of like, as long as I knew where to manage at the point, it's fine. It would have been only like a 30 pip loss. How long have you been trading for? Are you profitable for 17? Since I was 17. And yeah, I mean, again, I'm back. I've had a break, so now I'm coming back. And overall profitable this month so far. And when I was actually having a break, I was still trading and I was still profitable there, so. But yeah, as I say, in April, maybe May, depending on what I want to do, I'll be starting like a full account builder on stream, so. Yeah. And that is what I shall be doing. I've sold gold at 2,160 and still holding. Very nice. Are you at break even? I would be. Because if it rejects off the support, you can see from the left hand side. Just look here, right? Every single time we come down here and reject, we move to 2,160 in literally a couple of candles. So do be careful. If this rejects, your 50 pips is going to be wiped clean out. So do be careful. Yeah, ended late as I'm only trading London session. Very nice. Only trading London session? Oof. I don't know if I could do that, man. How many trades have I taken in London? Yeah, it's pretty reasonable. Yeah, 5 in London, 3 in NY. Not being bad. Not being bad. So again, look, London volume again. Where's the London Open, bro? The London Open just ain't there. Is there any European news later on this week? Oh, bank rates as well. Yeah, it's such a big week, man. It's a big week, bro. Tomorrow we've got FOMC. The day after we've got interest rates for pound, which suggesting they're not going to change them. Same as US. They're following US as usual. So yeah, it is a big week. Okay. Friday could be okay though. We've got retail sales looking like they're going to be negative forecast again. Shit. So previously it was 3.4%. That's quite good. But negative near 0.4 again? Hell no. So yeah, it's a very, very news-based week, which suggests, when the volume, when there's less volume, it's normally the fact that there is news approaching. There's a storm coming, Potter. So you got to be a little bit cautious with that. Yeah, it's got to be quite slow at the moment. Yeah, it's going to be quite slow. But that's fine. As long as you know that, and you know it's going to be like that, then you're good. London's been super slow lately. Yeah. So here we go. A little bit of volume over here. Hourly candle breaking previous low. Let's see if we can push. Let's see how we can push. Now look at the weekly candle. Weekly's flipped bearish. The weekly has made a top wick now, which is good. Okay. The daily candle coming down. Got a nice wick to fill. But again, I've got to wait for further below over here. So it goes back up. What do you think I should do? So if you wait, what's this? So if you go back up, what do you think I should do? If you're in a gold sell, you should be closing. It depends how you trade, actually. Sorry, I'm talking shit. Yeah, do whatever your strategy is. But in terms of my trade, if this was clean, the next support is definitely here. So I'll be closing some there. If it closes below, then you can re-enter. This is good though. Volume coming in finally. Looking like GJ is making some sort of support on the 30-minute time frame here. Hourly close bearish though. London's been super slow lately. Yeah. But again, I think, as I say, like, you know, I think trading for a lot of the time is just waiting, and it is boring. Like, you know, it is boring in the waiting process. But that's why I say, you know, try and just set alerts to help you out with that, so you're not as bored. Do something else in your day. Don't just sit and look at a chart for fucking 13 hours, right? Because is it valuable knowledge you're doing, or are you just kind of just watching some charts? You've got to, you know. So, for example, you know, if I was waiting for the 4-hour close here and I wasn't streaming, I'd probably have an alert on my phone at 9 AM just to check the chart, see if the 4-hour close below, and then can do accordingly, right? That's what I would do. Platinum is doing so bad, I'm losing money. Oof. Someone says enter for a buy. No. Ah, the night trade, but again, what I would say as a rule of thumb is if you want to take a buy in something, make sure you have candles on your side. The only candle that's a buy on gold right now is the monthly. The monthly's bullish. The weekly's bearish. The daily's bearish. The 4 hours bearish. The hourly's bearish. The 30 minutes bearish. The 50 minutes bearish. The 5 minutes bearish. The 3 minutes bullish. Okay? So you've got the 3 minute and the monthly time frame. Is that a good significant proportion of probability and confidence in terms of just candles that's going to be bullish? Probably not. So again, what I used to do is try and write down when you're taking a trade every single time, what were the biases with you? What time frames were with you? And once you start seeing that a lot of them correlate with you taking a winning trade, you may keep some of them on your side. Okay, you know, the trend is your friend for a reason. The trend is your friend. Make sure to tap the screen, guys, if you're on TikTok. Let's run up those likes, boy. But yeah, let's see how it deals with this here. Again, you know, we didn't get a closure below my level, so I'm not entering. However, it's looking good. It's starting to push. However, if you look to the left-hand side here, we still have areas here where we have rejected before. So hold on to your boots over here. This does not mean we are going to be flying down. It still needs to close. The closing is all we need. You've been trading by yourself or with a community? I had a community for 3 years or 2 years, and now I've just started it back up again. We still trade, we still talk in the chat all the time. And yeah, I got a little signals group going on, which we won't discuss about, but yeah, if you guys want any more information, just go to my Instagram. But yeah, looking like Aloha took a buy over here yesterday. Nice. You would have got some nice profits out of that, boy. Beautiful. You're beautiful. I suppose waiting is better than getting slaughtered. Yes, exactly. Exactly. I think that's what a lot of people, you know, people might sit on the chart for ages, get a little bit bored, try and take a trade, man, lose the trade, and then, oh, the aftermath is rough. Because you've just been waiting all day, you didn't find anything, you took a risk, and it did not pay off. The shit did not pay off at all. Currently it's 19th already, wow. It's gone quick, it's gone quick. Mm-hmm. Okay. 2 minutes, guys. Just say bye to Caitlin. Oh, Goldie. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Such a shame that I didn't close nicely, eh? Kind of just came out of nowhere, but good. At least this is volume. We dumping, we dumping. What chart is that? Gold, yes. So looking like this, you know, if this hourly close like this, then we're gonna mirror this, aren't we? So this is great news. Just took some sells already. 23 pips done for the session. Very nice. Well done. Well done. Congratulations. I like your analysis, bro. Cheers, man. Cheers, broski. Yeah, man, it's just simple price action. Just looking to the left. Looking at the higher time frames, painting the picture. Bye, love y'all. And yeah, not worrying too much about look at this trend line. Oh, look at this. Blah de blah de blah. Blah de blah de blah. So looking to the left hand side, there is some sort of resistance slash support here. Because I think I had a ding on here, didn't I? Yep. So yeah, definitely below this level, I think, as well, would be great. That would be good. That would be good. Stops are going to be a little bit wild, 70 pips. Zone below is 46 pips, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Do you see that bearish push? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Looks good, looks good. Look at this daily candle. You can see the daily's filling the previous wick. So it's got a wick fill, which is great news for us. Candles get filled. Hold on your horses here, Goldie, please. Don't just run without me, dog. You gotta wait for the closure. See if I had some reaction here at 2,150 big psychological level. I'm going to need quite a big top wick in the previous candle as well. Probably rejecting, yeah, going back up to 2,153 would be nice. Kind of something like this did, right? Pulled back up, then rejected. That would be great. How's Bitcoin doing now? Is it still at the high? Ah, that noise just ruined my eardrums. BTC USD. Ah. Yeah. So again, you can see gold and Bitcoin are starting to reject the two safe havens. Interesting. Could be a sell side now. Yeah, man. But again, it's just nothing. Damn. Damn, boy. 5 minute came out of nowhere, dog. Let's take a look at did anything come out? No, we're just pushing. Interesting. So again, looking back, how could you have got in? For me, there was nothing, right? Even the 15 closed bearish here, you know, didn't really close below the support. Yeah, it didn't, so it's just a lot of volume. Sometimes you can't get in. But again, there's still opportunity here, depending on how we retrace maybe, and make a top wick and all that kind of hunky-dory stuff. But if it does just push down here, then that's fine, right? We know the zone moves quickly, so it is what it is. It is what it is. Refreshing to see a trader that isn't like a trader. If you get me, I don't get what you mean, Spencer. Overall thoughts, bias, and GJ. GJ is bullish, very bullish. Again, if you look at my if you go on YouTube and go to my analysis, basically I discussed that the monthly candle closed above. And once we close above, we drive to 194. Now, this was ages ago. This is 2015. However, you know, price action still holds. And again, the closure above. Now we've made the lower wick. We've retested the previous level. We've reflipped, filling the wick. If we break the monthly high, we should continue. However, the only issue I have is that I can't see any data to the left-hand side because it was so far away. So that kind of sucks. So in that regard, I'm going to have to wait for price to probably break above, retest, find support, and then take the buy back up. That's the way to get in. No, Goldie, give me some room to take a trade. No. No. What a nut. But again, how could I have got in there? I mean, the 5 minutes, but I really wanted the closure below here. And we just push, dog. So the only way I can really get in now is if we do get a retracement. And then the next candle opens up, makes the top wick reflips, and then I can take the trade. But again, if it taps this level, then I'm done. Because, yeah, it's gonna tap it. That's the daily wick fill, right? And we know from the left-hand side that we are coming towards big major support, okay? If you take a look at the hourly here, we had a lot of traffic here, big support, but also yesterday when we came down, we rejected. So you don't want to be taking a sell here, because if you get caught in the sell, and we do exactly what we did yesterday and reject off it, you're going to be in some drawdown. So for me, it's what to look below, right? If this 4 hour in 38 minutes closes below this support, then we're going to look good. Now I've got to look to the lower time frames and see what really I can look for. So this is all a bit choppy, which kind of sucks. However, let me just write this on here. If we do break below, we can push to 2,140. Okay, we seem to move pretty quickly from 45 to 40 if you get a closure below. So that would be the next kind of target for me, which again is like 50 pips. That's not bad. And furthermore, if we do push further, we can maybe get down to 2,133, which is a nicer range as well. So there's still ranges coming down. We'll just have to see. Do you think it will tap the level and push down more? Well, that's the thing, right? If price comes and taps the support, how are you going to know that it's going to push down? You need to wait for a closure. So yeah. That's what you've got to wait for. And there's the rejection. A little bit. Have to hit the support, but yeah, such a big push down. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. That volume is expected before the 4 hour closure. Yeah. So you can see in the 4 hour we've touched the 4 hour support, so it's a bit of an L in terms of getting in because we've already tapped it. Yeah. So you might have to wait a little bit longer. But yeah, if that was in your plan to take it, well done. 50-minute bearish closure, could have gone for that. But I really wanted to close below this line. 51, and we just pushed through it. But again, you know, even if you can't get into a trade, it's the fact that you knew from doing your analysis that this zone is very, very clean. So it can push quickly. So it's not like you're picking zones that, you know, you can't take advantage of. It's good. We could have used that room if it closed the way we wanted it to, which it just didn't, unfortunately, yet. We still got to wait for the closure. No. 'And yeah, now if this daily closes bearish, it's going to be interesting. Weekly has now made a top wick, which is also better because before we didn't really have one. It's good. Very good. Four minutes left. 5 minute close bullish. How's GJ doing? 30 about to close in 3 minutes time. Yeah, not much volume, eh? Not much volume. Hey man, can you look at EU? I can do in a second. Keep shorting Bitcoin. What? So let's see in a minute's time if you get a closure. If it holds this support, oh my god. 5 minutes pushing back up. So what you could probably do here is, you know, in terms of the daily, what you can do is maybe wait for this candle to close, make a top wick, reject a zone, reflip and get in, or you could wait for a 5 minute to close bearish, you know, a strong and bearish candle maybe. That's the way that you could probably get in. Do, 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 do. Beautiful, so 30-minute close below. Great news. Now we need to wait for a top wick over here. Or again, a 5 minute bearish closure. Do, do. So yeah, maybe back up to 2,153, that would be quite nice. That's kind of what this did here. Pulled up. So yeah, just waiting for this either to push up or close bearish in the 5. Because if it goes bearish in the 5, we should really fill that wick. Before that though, we could maybe push back up. Might take the flip. Yeah, I just want a bit more confirmation with a closure on the 5. You know. Okay, so the 5-minute closed bearish, which is great. So now I'm just going to wait for a little bit of a top wick over here. Okay, so I've got a sell stop on the break of the candle low. Right, yeah. Stop loss for me is going to be above here. I'll tell you when I'm in. Not in yet, hasn't broke the low. Entry's 49.88. It's like here. So still not in yet. Okay, I'm in now. Beautiful. My stop loss is here because, again, that's kind of the zone, the previous zone. If you start coming back up, I can manage, but that's the previous zone. And again, to fill that wick and come back down to here. Maybe potential runs depending on how we push down to 2140. We'll see. Do, do. Let's look at GJ. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, so we are break even now. Stop loss to break even. Risk-free trade. Okay, risk-free trade. Again, you can close some if you fancy. I'm just gonna let this push to this wick fill. Right, guys, you know what? I'm going to close full over here. Closing full. Beautiful, beautiful work. Easy work, easy work, easy work, easy work. Beautiful. Beautiful. Close full because, again, look at the 3 minute coming towards a little bit of support here, but also for the fact that, again, we're coming towards this zone, which is where it could get a little bit choppy. So beautiful stuff there. And that's it. That's just done for the morning. How much did I make over here? Let me just take a look. Yeah, like 14, 15 pips. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So yeah. Amazing stuff, guys. Let's go. Let's go. You can hold a runner, but again, I'm happy with my pips there. Because I knew that there's some sort of rejection here from previous times. But if you want to hold full, then I'd hold full down to 2146.6. And there we go. That's kind of how you do it. So I closed there. And there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Put some W's in the chat if you guys listened or watched or understood how I did that. Amazing, amazing stuff. Amazing, amazing stuff. So, let's go to our trading journal here before I head off. I need to put one on there actually, but this is on the 19th. We took this trade 8:35-ish, 37 probably. London gold sell. Breakout. Got in at the break of the previous low on the 5. Wrist full. 14 pips. And there we go, just another day in the life. And there we go, beautiful. So you would have got stopped out anyway at break even. And that's why I like getting my push when there's some traffic to the left. We can just take our profits and dip for the day, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for coming on, guys. That was really good work. I'm just going to do a little story here. Amazing trade. Took a gold, sells back down. Waited for a 5 minute to close bearish. And then we took the drive back down, which is amazing. Closed at around about 14 pips. Very happy. And discussed in the chat. Amazing stuff. This was also sent to the signals group over here. Another winner in the signals group. That takes us to 8 winners. 1 loss, 1 break even. Let's go. How much percentage do you risk per trade these days, Max? 100 pips is around about 3% at the moment. I will be putting it higher once I really delve down into it, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's me done for the day, guys. Well, not done for the day. I'll look in NY later on, but yeah, that's my London session trade this morning. Hope you guys enjoyed that. But yeah, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Make sure you like the stream before you leave if you guys did learn something. And I will see you guys later on. Tomorrow I'm not streaming, and Thursday I'm not streaming, but I'll be back on Friday. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, squad. Peace out. Adios, amigos. Adios. Adios, amigos.